Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use let plus filter function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use let plus filter function, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have a data. Okay, this data, name of the employee, their department, location, salary and status. Okay, now I want to filter out filter out employees who are from IT department located in Mumbai, have salary over 65,000 and are active employee. Okay, so how to filter out? You have to use let plus filter function. Okay, now you have to click on the cell where you want to filter out, then go to formula bar. Okay, now type equals to let. Okay, now we will assign the whole table as a data. Okay, so data will be our this whole table. Okay, now comma, now department, so we will name is depth will be this one. Okay, comma, location, so we will name it log will be this. Now cell. Okay, so salary column is this column. Now status, so status column is comma, then status. Okay, now we will use filter to filter out the data. So filter, now it will ask for array, so here you have to type data, so whole table will be selected, comma. Okay, now bracket open, so depth, so which depth we want? IT department. Here you will see IT department, so you have to type equals to inverted comma IT, bracket close. Now for and we will use this star. Okay, or multiply. Okay, then now in next bracket, so we will want the location, so log will be equals to Mumbai, log equals to Mumbai. Okay, bracket inverted comma close, bracket close. Now into salary, so shall should be less than 60, more than 65,000, more than 65,000. Okay, now into again, now active status should be status, so status should be here, bracket open. Okay, bracket open, so now status should be equals to inverted comma active. Okay, now bracket close, again close and again close. Okay, 3 bracket close, then enter. So you will see this is the employee whose name is Neha, department is IT, location Mumbai and salary 68,000 and active status. Okay, so like this you can use let plus filter function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.